Okay. Still doesn't have any.
Yeah, I have given you recording session.
Okay. Yeah.
Come here. See this part. When we are coming on the NAT, no? When we come on NAT part, okay, inside the
Yeah.
NAT part, we have created our own
Yeah.
NAT, on NAT, right?
Yes.
Inside that
Yes.
on NAT, you should come on the translated packet. Come there, translated
Okay. Give me a second. Let me just quickly log in.
packet.
Mm. Hello.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Then
Just give me a second. No, logging in. 1 second.
when you open there, general is there, original packets is there. You have the option is
नहीं
there.
नहीं मैं Palo Alto लोड हो रहा है 1 सेकंड 1
Okay,
सेकंड
okay,
सॉरी तो धीरे धीरे चल रहा है पता नहीं क्यों अभी इसको क्या हो गया
okay.
yeah I came to
NAT.
policies I've come to NAT
Yeah, there you have general is there. Then after original packet is there, right? Then after you have the translated packet is there, right? No?
yes so which one should I select the static NAT or should I select the inside to outside
No,
one static NAT
just
no
just you come here in the translated packet, inside translated packet.
no translated packet in which policy I have two policies inside NAT I have inside to outside and then I have static NAT
Inside first one, inside to outside.
okay inside to outside okay
First you have inside to outside now.
yes
Inside to outside. Yeah. Okay.
okay then I've come to general original packets and then
Translated packet.
translated packet okay
By default, what is there inside translated?
dynamic in and put dynamic IP and put
Yeah. Okay. So you can use here dynamic IP. Use here, click that, and use dynamic IP. Okay.
okay
Then after, you should write here dynamic IP for
hmm
your give here. That is your outside.
yeah
Okay. Just a minute. You should give here outside address from pool. You should create here only. Are you getting my point?
okay
Here you should create a
so
pool. Yeah, you should create a pool here only.
okay
So here you should create a pool with the help of outside. Outside you have a NAT is there, right? Remember, no? NAT is
yes
there. So with that NAT here you should give dot 2, dot 3,
Mhm.
dot 4, dot 5, dot 6. Like these 6 you should create. You should
dot
here
okay
create like this. So
okay dot 2 is done dot 3 dot 4 dot 5 dot 6 okay done
done now. Okay. That is
yes
created here. Then after okay
okay
hmm, and save it.
and commit
Yeah, commit it. Then after what we will do, just a minute. Then after dynamic IP we have
so
to
my server is still booting if I ping from my local machine will it work
yeah, it should work.
just to verify okay
It should work. Okay. Then after
yeah
you should come here static IP. Same place.
to
In the
where
same here. In same here. You should come here in the
okay
static IP. Okay.
Okay, in the static NAT.
Yeah, static IP. Type
Okay.
in static NAT, static. Then
Yeah.
here, here
Huh. Huh.
you should give here, click that, and you should give here the IP address.
I gave 192.168.206.4.
Okay, 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 okay.
Okay.
Then come on your Windows PC.
Yeah. I mean local machine, right?
Yeah, inside your local machine.
Mm-hmm.
Open your Internet Explorer. Open
Yeah.
your Internet Explorer.
Mhm. And same thing, 192.168.206.4.
Hmm. Try to open this.
Okay.
From your Internet Explorer, from your server,
Mm-hmm.
would you like to open your internet, like anything from here, like Facebook or something? That any pages would you like to open
So
there?
server is loading. Can I start
Windows,
Windows 7?
yeah, you can use Windows 7 even. Okay, use the Windows
Okay, I'll
7.
just quickly start Windows 7.
Your Windows 7 is ready. It is opening.
Oh,
Okay,
just booting up. Just
okay,
booting up.
okay,
Yeah.
okay. One thing you do.
Mm-hmm.
There we have there in default static, or the first one, the NAT we have done. No, there you keep only your dynamic IP. Leave this one. Remove this one. Okay, remove this part.
Remove all the 4 IPs that I have
No,
mentioned.
no, no, no. Only this one should be there. Don't use here a static IP. Okay, there.
So remove the static NAT itself.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. From there.
Okay, so only one rule will be there inside
Yeah,
NAT,
inside
no?
one NAT, inside one policy, inside one
Okay.
policy. Okay. Then after
So inside NAT, only one rule. I will
that is
delete this static NAT rule.
yeah, you should delete static NAT. Dynamic IP is there. That is the range of dot two, dot three, dot four, dot five, dot
Yes.
correct.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Then
Okay,
after
this is done. I'm just committing it. Meanwhile, my machine is started.
okay. It is work. It is loading right now. What you do? Come in the next step.
Mm-hmm.
The next step, what you do?
Mm-hmm.
Create a next NAT. Okay. The next NAT you create here. Inside the next NAT, what you do? Uh, Original packet. You come on the original packet. Original packet. Okay.
Next NAT means I
Means
didn't
again,
get you.
yeah, yeah. And you create a new ad.
New ad. Okay.
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 Create a new ad. There you should
Mm-hmm.
write here. Anything you should write here
Uh-huh.
in the gender name. Then after come on the
Okay.
original packet. Come on the original inside original packet.
Okay.
Should be inside.
Yeah.
It should be inside.
Okay. Inside.
Destination zone is outside.
Okay.
Then after security is your HTTP services HTTP services is your services here services
HTTP.
yeah
HTTP. Yeah.
services you can take HTTP.
Destination interface any
Wait a minute. Then
or
after
one by one.
that step you should follow. Yeah, destination
Okay.
interface is any. Then your destination interface is any here. Then
Any. Okay.
then after you should come
Mm-hmm. To
on the
translate it.
translated yeah
Yeah.
to mine yeah that source, just a minute. Source address will be there. Source address will be there, right? Source address here.
Yes.
Source address you should write here. Inside the source address, inside the source address you should write here. You should take the source address your PC, Windows 7 PC address.
No, but what do I have to select? Static IP?
Yeah, that is a static IP. You should have to select. Okay, Windows 7 IP address.
No, if you are telling me to do the changes in the source address in the original packet, right?
In the original packet. Yeah, correct. Inside the original packet.
Okay, fine.
Okay.
Okay, let my machine just start.
Yeah.
Yeah, I
So
can
here
just see it
you
started.
should give here Windows 7 address, IP address.
Just give me a second. Okay, it's 192.168.238.5.
Okay, you should give there 238.5. Just a minute. Here the Windows, oh, 1 minute. I was writing some other places. And that is your
Yeah,
238.5.
5, Windows 7, yes.
238.5. 5. You should
Yeah,
add it there, right?
yeah,
Then after what
yes.
do you do here? Come here in the translated packet.
Translated packet, okay.
Translated packet you come.
Mm-hmm.
Translated packet. Wait a minute. Let me write this steps.
Hmm.
Translated packet. In the translated packet, what you do is static IP. Okay.
Yeah,
Static IP. In a static IP, that is bidirectional is coming there, right?
yes.
And their translated address is asking you. You should write here. That is your. You should give here .2 .234 you have taken there, no? .2
Yes.
.3, from there you should give any IP address. .3 you take. Okay.
206.206.3 I'll give.
Okay. .3 you have given here, and you should give
Yes.
bidirectional. Use bidirectional.
I selected bidirectional.
You should have, yeah, done the bidirectional.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Submit, commit.
Okay, it and commit it.
Hmm.
Okay. Then after we have to come here. After that, we'll come on the security part. Okay. Next
Okay.
is mine security. Next is mine security here. Inside the security, what we will do, we are coming
Mm-hmm.
on source. Source is my outside.
So security has internet access and inside to outside. I'll select internet access, no?
You create by new one. New one you create.
Should delete the both then. What do I do?
No required. No required. You can use the new one. No, that give the preference of the new one. Okay. So
Okay.
you write here
Okay.
in out one. Anything in out one you should give.
Okay. Fine. No
Okay.
problem. Yeah.
In out. Then after
Sources.
outside.
Sources outside. Okay.
Destination. Inside destination you can come and add.
Mm-hmm.
Add
Mm-hmm.
here
Mm-hmm.
inside.
Inside.
Inside. Correct.
Yeah.
Then after you should come here.
Destination.
Destination address is coming.
Address.
Wait
Yeah.
a minute. Destination address. Destination address is coming. Inside the destination
Yes.
address, you have to give the IP address I'm telling you. That
Mm-hmm.
is your translated IP. It should be your translated
206.3.
translated IP. That is
Okay.
206.3. Okay, fine.
Application.
Yeah, just a minute. I'm coming. After that, then after I am coming on the not service and URL categories.
Okay.
Service and URL categories. Open here.
Selected.
Yeah, there you are getting, wait a minute.
HTTPS, service HTTPS. HTTP and
Correct?
HTTPS, both.
Yeah, both HTTP you select, okay?
Okay.
There you should select the HTTP. Then after, you should, here I have done this part, wait a minute. This is my services and services. Let me write because you should remember services categories. That services categories we have selected the HTTP, right? Then after,
Yes.
with the help of add, correct?
Yes.
Then after we are coming here on the last option is application, right? Last option is an application is there, right? No,
Actions.
actions. Okay, this is my actions. Inside the action part, you should come, and what you do here, you should okay it and commit it. Everything should be same, okay, and commit it. Commit it.
Okay.
Commit this one. Okay.
Yeah.
Then after you should come on the NAT. It is asking you the give
Should
the
I move it up or no? Should I leave it
yeah,
as
yeah.
it is?
No. You should have to move it. Move it up.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, just give me a second. Okay, done. Now
Done,
again.
and then
Okay.
come on the NAT part also. In the NAT part also.
The newly created should be the first one.
Yeah, and newly created should be the first one. Before just that first one, this one newly created is first one. You should give it priority. Okay. Fine. Then
Okay.
coming on.
One second. One second. I just this is getting committed. Okay. Now I've come on the NAT part.
Uh-huh.
Um,
Same thing is here also. Highlight before
it's
highlight.
loading.
Okay.
Yeah.
Before highlight, something is coming. One more point is there. Highlight.
Move is there. Reset rule hit counter.
No. Down bottom. I'm asking. Freeze or something is there. You can find. Highlight.
Freeze is not there.
Highlight.
Highlight unused rules is there.
Huh? Okay. Then click on that. And
Yeah.
new rules. You should give the first privilege.
First preference. I gave it.
Give it
Yes.
now. Then after commit.
Yeah.
They are also
Commit.
committed.
Okay.
Then after committed.
Okay.
You have done.
Will this work now?
It's work now.
Okay. I think my Windows server is again hung. I think I don't know what's wrong with it.
And you have started your server also on the same time. Three things.
Yeah, server already hung. It was like rotating round and round, but my Windows 7 and Palo Alto is working fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
That server have sometimes problem is there.
Yeah. I don't know what's wrong with it now.
So what you do here, you should
Okay,
come.
now it is.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you should come on your PC and give the IP
Okay.
address dot three two
Dot
zero
3 for.
206.3
Okay. No, it doesn't open.
and come on the Windows 7 right open.
HTTP 192.168.206.3. No, it doesn't work.
Not opening.
No.
That is in server we have IIS service is there. Okay, you will find
Yes.
there IIS service is there. If you work on the server, IIS services
Mm-hmm.
we have to enable. Then after if we'll be open this one, it will work properly. Understood? Otherwise, this is
Okay.
the correct way. 100% this is the only translation way. This should open from anywhere, like outside to inside this one, and we have the reachability is there. Apart from that,
Okay.
nothing is there. It should 100% work. What you do that your server is hanging right now. What you do once
Yes.
you shut down everything, and then after you follow
Mm-hmm.
these steps, that is 100% that 206.3 is working. Okay, this is the
Okay.
execution.
Fine.
This is the final execution.
Okay.
100% it should work. You should go with
Okay.
this video.
Fine.
Okay, this video
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay.
because we have done with this one. I know
Yeah.
this
Okay,
video.
no problem. I
What you
just see
do
that.
just okay, and if it's not coming, then after in the morning's time, we'll early morning we'll start, and in my PC
Okay,
service
no
for you.
problem.
Okay, in my PC service
Okay,
for you.
okay.
Okay,
Okay, okay, fine. Okay, yeah. Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
okay, take
Yeah, bye.